disclaimer for some of y'all. When I wasn't quite sure if I was going to return back to YouTube, I wasn't really recording, talking to the camera, really showing too much of myself. I was kind of just recording just for my own personal records. So again, a lot of my previous videos until we get current is gonna kind of just get straight to the point, and I might have to talk over the videos like 50 Cent on Raising Canaan until we get current. But in this video, we're going to be polishing and cleaning up the wheels, applying sweet patina onto that ashy patina body, and I'm gonna pull it out and go from there, man. So enjoy. Make sure y'all share, like, subscribe. Thank y'all for messing with your boy.
Oh yeah,
So that's two passes. Two passes. Hold on. That's two passes of the Mothers. I just used Mothers Mag aluminum polish. Had some laying around from a sponsorship I had years ago, and yeah, it worked out, man. Ended up looking pretty good, pretty spiffy. Try to get it so you can see the lip. Man, so that came out pretty good. I have not cleaned these wheels since I got them, so that's what's up, man. It looks pretty good. Trying to turn it here, y'all. There we go. That looks pretty good. Arm all the tires up, put the poppies back on there, re in line, man. We doing good. So I want to go ahead and finish these up. I'll probably go ahead and get started on the front wheel.
They sing it as a trap and they gave us that rabbit. Or make it a habit, the drum on it automatic. Let them have it. My sword smart like a tablet. I pop it addict. Then get my baddies from action. To the job to park the car in the back of the mansion. Try to pass her, jig it part like an aspirin. Yeah, and the dog's lagging, it ain't an accident.
Oh. Yeah. So when I'm doing this show, I'll be bumping that NBA, the NBA young boy. Ain't gonna lie. Kodak Black, all that stuff, man. You gotta get in the zone, right? So that you guys know, let me see if I can see it. Just like we did before, I'm going to apply some of this sweet patina. Yeah, sweet patina. So all I was gonna do is going to oil up this dryness, make it look good. Hopefully y'all can hear me too. I'm behind the camera. I just thought about that. Hopefully it doesn't sound dumb, but yeah. So this is what we're using today: sweet patina. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Let's get to it. I want to go back to time lapse and get back to bumping my NBA. Alright, so I got it all lathered up, you know what I mean? So a couple spots I'm going to go back over. A couple things I want to show y'all is, if you got a patina car, if you're thinking about going patina and you're using this stuff, I don't know if it makes a difference, but I noticed that some spots start to dry up. I don't know if you guys can see that. Boom, right there. See how it's kind of dry? Another one like right there. So I'm going to go back over those. I'm probably going to let it sit overnight. Let it soak in real good. I think you're supposed to let it sit for a couple hours, so I'm gonna just go and let it sit overnight. This is, okay, so let me show y'all. I know a couple of y'all was like, man, just clear it. You know, make it look wet. This is why I don't want to make it look wet. See, like the dents enhance when it starts to shine. So that's why I don't want to, when I wipe this off, it won't be as shiny. It will be kind of a satin look. So that's perfect example. When it's gloss, you start to see all these little dings, and I don't like that. I know I got a couple right here. If you guys can see that well. See how they're real wobbly. I am actually going to try something in this area. I've always wanted to try, but I never had a car that was worthy or eligible enough to do that. Matter of fact, I'll tell y'all now. Y'all probably gonna laugh, but it is what it is. I want to try it. I'm gonna try to air up like a football or a basketball. I don't know if this is big enough. And see if I can put it behind it and see if I can pop those dings out. Because I had a guy that was gonna sell me the Cadillac cladding that goes down the side, and I was getting ready to get it, and then I realized that I bought the lower light in the front, which means it would be basically I'd be wasting money, and then I would still have to find the bottom trim to go with that cladding. So I just left it. It is what it is. And that wheel's looking good, boy. That it's cleaned up. Well, that's a different wheel right there. But yeah, a couple spots. If you guys can see, let me see. See a couple spots that's starting to dry. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. Grab me something to eat. And then come back out and re-wipe it down, let it sit overnight, wipe it off, pull it out, and I'm gonna show you guys. Yay. What y'all think? Alright, so let it sit overnight. It's looking like it's gonna rain, so I'm probably not going to show too much. I don't know where this is going to show, but I'm about to wipe it off now. As you can see, it actually it's still real wet, so I'm about to, wipe it off, and it's just basically gonna go back to the satin look, and it won't be glossy looking, but it won't be dry looking either. So, about to go ahead and knock that out, and you can see the wheels is looking spiffy. All right, let's get it. Alright, so I gotta roll it back to put the armor on the back tires. See if I even got my keys. I'm gonna roll it out real quick. Let me get my keys real quick, y'all. I ain't got my keys. Let me check it. Oh, there you go. Okay, so I'm gonna back it out and get video footage of it outside. It's not the sunniest day. Maybe I should wait for a sunny day, or I might redo this. Let me go and get that cold start on y'all real quick. Hey, I might want to adjust your volume, you know what I'm saying? Here she is, ladies and gents. Got the Poppy's patina on there, so it's not looking dry and ashy. Wheels are clean. The tires are armor-alled. Looking nice and wet, you know. Got the hinges off. Where am I at? Right up in here. Got the hinges off. Don't look at the motor yet.
Don't even look at it. Go on, get out. You heard me. Don't look at me either.
I mean, we can look at it, but it's not where it needs to be yet. Still got a couple more things that I want to do. Dress it up and so forth. Get this truck looking stuff off, you know what I mean, and go from there. I asked a question on another video. I don't know where these videos are going to be playing. Trying to debate if I want to take these inner wheel wells out and have them sandblasted and powder coated gloss black, satin black, or just leave them rough like this. It's the only thing I'm kind of up in the air about. I don't want to go too crazy and make the engine bay look brand new and spiffy. So I've been kind of thinking about just leaving it, but as you can see, it's got like some texture and it looks like something stuck to it when it was painted. So don't worry about the A-arms and stuff yet. We're gonna get to that. But yeah, this is how she's looking. This is how she's looking. Wheels look a whole lot better with the armor on the back tire. Man, I haven't really cleaned this car up, man, since I got it. I've been pretty much just letting it go so that it looks worse. If you haven't seen other videos, we are waiting on interior. So that's why I haven't really been able to drive it or take it anywhere. Waiting on interior, but as y'all can see, the Poppy's patina made it look a whole lot richer. And this stuff is like very gooey and sticky and slippery. So whenever you do use it, make sure you got gloves. Try not to drop the bottle, because man,
There's a guy who couldn't hold on to the soap.
Oh, that was classic.
if it drops all over the place, it kind of reminds me of tire shine. That's what it kind of reminds me of, but it's real thick and real oily. So I might make another pass to kind of dry it off. But yeah, this is it. This is it, man. Alright, let me roll her back in. Now y'all wanted to see her. Back up real quick, get y'all a little bit more. Sun's not out, man. I probably should have waited till the sun came out, but Raggedy Box is coming, y'all. It's coming. Slowly but surely.